and we are here with Paint My Door. I have decided to embark on some house repairs and DIY, do it yourself. And moved in here about 2 years ago. Had a family contact, the contractor. He did pretty good work on the overall house, but I paid for it, and I figured that I'm here to stay. With that being said, I need to be learning. So one of the summer projects that I'm working on is painting the doors, the front door of the house. I chose a color, and I'm going to move forward with this job. So what I'm doing right here is prepping the door as I've been instructed by professionals and semi-professional painters. The key is to prep your job before you get started. And so just covering the hardware, I've seen others do it without. I'm just going to kind of be a good student and go for it with. And I'm not going to unhinge the door. I think that it would just be much more time consuming. Whereas though, the main parts that I feel that needs to be kind of covered are the hardware. I think, once again, I'm not a pro, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing my best. Next part is sanding some of the rough parts on the door, and then we're going to get started painting. All right, so I got most of the rough patches in the door sanded down. I'm going to take this microfiber rag and just dust it off, because of course, if I start painting, I don't want to get the dust stuck in the paint, and that'll look pretty gritty. I'm not ready to paint. I still have more prepping. All right, I gotta cover up this top panel, the window of the door. So, because if not, I guess I'll be scraping. All right, more prepping. All right, so I'm pretty much to the detail now. I think that I'm complete with this painting job. Just some small details. I found my small painting brush that I can get into the groove, suggested from my roommate. So I'm going to get in the groove and finish this project off so I can go to the next one. Painting is a tedious job, but it's also satisfying. I love color. I wanted to do much more with the house in color, but soon to come, I'll be adding more color jobs and more details to the house. All right, I'm just about done. This door. There are some minor details that I want to complete. The top portion of the door, I had a problem getting this off so I could paint inside. I was able to paint the opposite side, but decided not to paint the same color as the outside of the door for the inside. So I might have to do that over. And there are some lighter parts that I'm going to have to touch up here and there. Also around the handle. So I'll complete that right here around the handle. But this is what the door looks like. It's a dark red door and it looks pretty good. All right, as I said, this is the end of the project. I forgot to add that I did the back door. I decided to paint that back door blue, and that's how it looks. I think it was pretty good. Thanks for checking me out. See you later.